Hello, fifth grade. This is Ms. Trevino. Today we're going to be, I'm going to be reading you the questions for your restart chapter that you guys did today. So if we're starting from here, whether it says reading Gonzalez, reading Bentley, reading Herring, from here you're going to go straight to classwork. And then you're going to click on these Google Slides. That's what Ms. Gonzalez's message was for you to read. The only place you should be clicking is student lessons, so you don't get confused. Student lessons, you click the Google Slides. Okay. And then you're going to go, from here you're going to go to the specific day we're on, which today is Wednesday. Okay, make sure you check in with attendance, watch the daily morning video, make sure you watch your restart lesson, and then we have our questions for restart. Make sure that you have both tabs open, including my video if no one's able to read it to you. That way you're able to go back to the book and find that text evidence, okay, to find your answers. So today we're doing chapter 11 questions for restart. And they are open-ended questions, so you short answer. So make sure you're using full and complete sentences. Okay, she reminded you, she put it in red and in all caps. You need to use full and complete sentences. Okay, so restart chapter 11. Number 1. Do you think the old Chase Ambrose is trapped inside of Chase somewhere? Why or why not? Okay, so do you think the old Chase Ambrose is trapped inside of Chase somewhere? Why or why not? Number 2. What do you think Chase has, and why is it so important to his friends? And number 3. Why do you think Chase enjoys helping the senior citizens? Okay, so make sure you're using text evidence. You're going back, make sure you listen to the chapter, of course. But make sure you're using text evidence, okay? So remember, we're writing in full and complete sentences. Let me know if you need anything.